Hello everyone, here is Samir Saraf from Section 4, roll number 20MI33021. So in this week's DIY project, we have to work in Proteus software to stimulate the system with the given conditions and blink the LED accordingly. For this, we'll open the Proteus software. So the Proteus software has opened now. Select this open sample option over here. Then in category, we'll go for VSM for AVR, and in subcategory, we'll select Arduino. So here are results. So in this we will select the 22nd option, Arduino DST22. So double click. Here is the schematic capture sensor where you can see a design of a basic circuit. So here we have to show how the LED reacts to different humidity and temperature conditions. So this is the LED over here. Now we'll go to source code section. Here you can see there is some pre-written code. So now as these conditions are defined here, like humidity, temperature, so now we'll assign values to it and then check how our circuit responds to it. Now here you can see I have written the code for the conditions which were given. Now we will build this project. Now as you can see our code has been compiled successfully. So we'll move to the schematic capture section. Here we'll try to run this simulation. So here you can see the virtual terminal. Here the test has been started. So various temperature and humidity options are there. So from here you can change the data of humidity and temperature and see how the LED blinks. So for now the LED doesn't blink because this doesn't satisfy our condition, blinking condition. So now we'll try to change this. So we'll first stop this, then we'll click there, edit properties. Let's say we'll keep the humidity to 22 and the temperature to 11. Now we'll try to run this program. So here you can see our LED is blinking for 1 second. Yes. Now again we stop this and edit properties. Now we'll change. Now we'll keep the temperature as 11 and humidity will increase it to, let's say, 66. Now we'll run this simulation again. So as you can see our LED is blinking again, but now it is blinking for half a second. You can see over here. So as you can see this activity has been completed. So now we'll move towards the next activity. So from this open sample project we'll select VSM for AVR, then Arduino, then the fourth option Arduino and RGB common cathode LED. Here my task is to visualize a continuous wave at the digital pin 13 using this oscilloscope. So now I'll join the terminal D of the oscilloscope to the pin 13. After this we'll go to the source code section. Here we'll make some changes to this code. Now my code is ready. Now I will build this project. Here you can see it is written compiled successfully. We'll move to the schematic capture section. Now I'll run the simulation in the channel D, because we have connected the channel D to the port pin 13. So in channel D we'll shift from AC to DC, because well, we are using a DC current. Now we'll move this to 200 milliseconds. Now as you can see, a continuous wave is forming, and the time period of this periodic signal is 8.25 seconds. Like this, my second activity has also been successfully completed. Thank you.